if you're working on this one, on the piece, on the drawings that you're given, one, like you had two views, right? The left view and the right view of, but it was both the same, you know, it's the left part and the right part, because both of them, the countersinks were solid. And one that had like locations of holes and one had sizes. If you're going to do it like this, you need to put all of them on one view. So depending on what size, like if you're trying to fit this on an A size sheet, you probably don't have all the space. So this is where sometimes a B size will work out. You can make it bigger. That way you have a little bit more space to work with. Kind of more space around it to work with if you want. You can also keep it small, and then from the side view, project the back view. And that way you can put some stuff on this view and some stuff on this view. I would probably put all the whole stuff on one and like all the outline stuff on the other, or something like that. I wouldn't do locations for the holes here and size the holes here like they did. I would put, you know, everything about the holes, locations and sizes on this one. On this one, maybe mention the outside if you wanted to. Or you could put it all just on one view, make it the appropriate scale. You can also, you don't just have to stick to 1:1 or 2:1. You could do like 3:2, right? So that's 1.5, right? Remember, ratios are just fractions. And so you can make it 3:2. Now I can, it's kind of halfway in between 1:1 and 2:1. So kind of adjust. And if once you start going and you're like, oh, I want it to be a little bit bigger, just adjust the scale and then see how it fits. And if you see it doesn't fit, make that other view. Or if you've started to put it on an A size and you start doing it like, oh, I need more space, just make it a B size sheet. It's an easy change. Give yourself some more space to work with. Don't try and crowd it all in. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, so there are some options here, but it's usually just the 1:2, 2:1 stuff. It doesn't have the 2:3 or 3:4.
That's 3:2.
Yeah, because I just typed it.
Oh, okay.
The ones above the line are what you've been using, what you've used so far. The ones below the line are the standards.